Assalamualaikum. I will now start chapter 3 Vibrations, Heredity and Salvian. Heredity. During reproduction, living things pass on their characteristics to the offspring. That is the reason that bodies look like their parents. Plants grown from seeds resemble their parent plants. The transmission of characteristics from parents to offspring is called heredity. The characteristics such as the color of eye, skin color, hair color, free or direct air blood, height, intelligence, etc. are the examples of the characteristics that are transmitted from parents to the offspring and are called hereditary characteristics. Life in the organisms, every character of their structure, function, metabolism, and behavior is programmed and controlled by a set of instructions. These instructions are in the form of biological codes called genes. You have received your genius from your parents, and they have received their genius from their parents. Just you and your siblings share many genes of your parents and even of your grandparents. Inherited characteristics are determined by way genes transmit characteristics from parents to offspring. The word genes is divided from genes. Genes is the science of heredity. Gene is the base unit of bio from parents offspring example for generation to generation. This diagram see you and next page we know that children possess many features similar to these of their parents, but they also differ from their parents in certain respects. Similarly, brothers and sisters also show difference in many characteristics. Any difference in the characteristics of the members of a species is called variation. Variations help organisms to adapt life successfully. Their environment have great chance of survive and continue their race. Difference between apparition and variation, and you already know that the reference shown by the individuals of one kind of organisms, one species, are called variations. There are two types of variations on the basis of their causes. The variations which arises due to changes in genes are called genetic variations. Example: skin color, blood type, eye color, tongue rolling, etc. Such variations are passed from parents to offspring. The primary source of genetic variations is mutation. Mutation is a change in the genetic material gene. The variations which are caused by environmental effects are called environment variations. Example: language, scare on skin, etc. Such variations are not transferred to offspring. Some genetic variations also have a lot of environment influence. Example: weight and height. Adaptation is the physical of behavior characteristics of an organism that helps an organism to survive better in the environment. Living things are adapt to the habit they live in. This is because they have special features that help them to survive. For example, animals that live in cold places have adaptations to keep them warm. Plants that live in dry areas have adaptations to help them conserve water.